Long day, tough day, very hot day. I'm exhausted. Sometimes very big stones to avoid, so a bit tricky on some spots, but otherwise quite nice. I think I did well, also passed a lot of bike again. Not so much mistake on the navigation, so yeah, nice day I think for me.
The day was hard, long and hot. Till 320 kilometers everything goes well, but in that kilometer I've lost my track and lost around 20 maybe minutes, and a lot of bikes lost these tracks, so there was the mistake in the road book. And about the damages of the bike, I repaired 2 times front left tire, and the shock absorber exploded by itself in maybe 10-15 kilometers till the finish. And the shock absorber didn't change anything till the finish, so that's all. Day was long, but not so many issues.
Mistakes cost a lot, sometimes less, sometimes more, this time more. In the liaison I had a technical issue, I solved it very fast and tried to catch the time to the start line, and was speeding on the city and didn't catch the braking point and crashed to the car. I'm very glad that I'm still alive. It was really scary, and I really want to apologize to everyone who is disappointed. But believe me, when I will recover my body, I will back even stronger. And at this moment, a few bones crashed, some cracked, and a lot of blueberries on my body. Everything is okay with the quad. We have a lot of spare parts, so I think 4-5 hours and it can be on the road, but we don't have a drivers to drive it. Till Rally du Morocco, I will recover my body. I hope so.
I know that tomorrow should be also a long day, so I hope it will be not that hot as today. I don't think so, but we will see.